Hey guys, Smiki here, welcome back. Hey guys, Smiki here, welcome back to another video. And today, really? It's telling me it's time to post to Instagram, but I don't have a photo to post, so mark as completed. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how I achieve my everyday makeup look, or what I would gravitate to if I want to do something very plain, very simple, and not look too overdone, just like a natural look. So first off, I'm going to start with moisturizing my skin, and I'm going to go in with this Garnier Skin Active Moisture Rescue Refreshing Gel Cream. I already went ahead and washed my face and everything, and I don't know if you can kind of see this, but I have a lot of glitter going on my face because I did a face mask, and it was a unicorn face mask, and there is a lot of glitter all over my face. I don't even know if you can see that. I'll come in closer, turn this brightness down. There's a lot over in here. Now for my brows, I like to go in with my NYX or NYX micro brow pencil, and I use the shade Black. I used to use Espresso, which is like a really deep brown, but I don't know, I tend to like the black a little bit better. I just brush them up or make them all go in the same direction, and then I like to trace the bottom of my brow and then the top of my brow, and then I just go ahead and fill it in. Okay guys, so these are my brows. As you can see, I was struggling a little bit, but that's how it is sometimes when you do your brows. They literally took me about 20 minutes to do. I don't have that kind of time right now, but these are what my brows are looking like today. Usually if I'm gonna go somewhere, which I'm going somewhere today, but usually if I am going somewhere, I try to at least do my brows. Maybe I'll do like a wing or something, but usually I'm not even wearing foundation. I usually just try to get my brows in and put mascara on my lashes, but today we're going in with a little bit more product today because that's what this video is about. But these are what my brows are looking like. I was fussing with them a little bit, but I just have to leave it alone because if I do anything else, the whole video is about to be thrown away. Okay, so let's just keep going. For my primer today, I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline Master Blur Stick. This is in the shade 130 Medium Tan. I'm just going to go ahead and apply this like on my cheeks in here, because this stick is a blurring stick, so you want to kind of put it in the areas where you have larger pores so that it can kind of fill that in. So I like to go ahead and apply this in this area just so I can kind of push it in so it fills that spot a little bit more. For my primer now, I'm going to go in with my Milani Prime Shield and apply this on my forehead, on my nose, on my chin, all that stuff. This is going to help keeping me matte all day. And it's also going to help smooth as well. For foundation today, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation, and this is in the shade 420, right? Yeah, we're in the shade 420 with this foundation. I'm just going to apply this I'm going to put some on my hand. I'm going to buff everything in with this face brush. This is an e.l.f. brush, and this is the Ultimate Blending Brush. If there's someone out there that has somehow not used the Fenty Beauty foundation, just know that you have to work quick with it because it dries down super fast. Oh gosh, I forgot how much I actually love this foundation and the finish of it and everything. Keeping in theme with the Fenty Beauty brand, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty concealer. This is the new concealer that came out. If you guys haven't seen my review that I did on this product, I will link it up here. Please go ahead and check that out once you have already watched this video. But spoiler alert, I have been loving this concealer. I don't know, there's something about it. It's just very radiant and luminous. And then using my Real Technique sponge, I'm just going to go in and blend that out. And you want to take your time and blend this concealer out. Can you see that? Like, it's on there, but it's just very radiant, and I don't know, I love how it blends out. It's very creamy, very smooth, and very seamless. I don't know, I just love this. If you guys haven't gotten your hands on this concealer yet, I would definitely recommend going out and picking it up. To set all of that, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder, and this is in the shade Banana. And then I like to go in and just blend this out to make sure we don't have any creases, which for me makes no sense because I automatically already have creasing under my eyes, wrinkles under my eyes. That's not going to go away. But anyway, so I'm going to go in, dip my sponge into the powder, tap off the excess. And when I say tap off the excess, I mean tap off the excess, shake off the excess, blow the excess, blow that off, because I really want a light layer to be under the eye. Just so that it sets everything, all while brightening and not leaving so much residue, because I didn't want to bake. And guys, as soon as I'm done applying all of this, as soon as I'm done applying the powder, I go in for my brush and immediately just wipe it off, because all I want to get out of it is just to set the areas and give it that nice mattified look. I'm going to go in with my all over face powder, and I like to go in and use my Covergil Queen Collection pressed powder, and then this is in the shade Q420 medium. And with a fluffy powder brush, I like to just swirl in there, tap off the excess, and just kind of like wipe that all over the face very, very lightly. I don't really like to use cream contour because I feel like it's a little bit too extreme for me, and I don't really know how to control it. That's just me personally. So I like to go in with a bronzer, or a powder contour. So for that, I like to go in with my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. This is the powder contour palette, and this is in the shade medium to dark. And I go in with this contour shade right here and kind of use that to contour and bronze my face. I go in with the same fluffy powder brush. Now with this one, you guys, it's a little bit warm, so I like to go in with as little as possible because this has definitely got a lot of pigmentation on it. So I want to go in with a light hand with this. So I really just swipe in there, and with this I think that it's still too much. So I kind of like shake off the excess and then just start to bronze the face. So now we will move on to highlight. So for my highlight today, I'm going to go in with this Milani Strobe Light highlighter, and this is in the shade 04 Glowing. Just going to tap into the highlighter a little bit. That might have been too much, and I'm just going to tap it on the skin. I'm just going to put a little bit on the nose here, and then carry some underneath my brow. So I'm going to go in to line my eyes, and I'm going to be actually using MAC's Chestnut Lip Liner because it's a nice brown liner, and I don't have any other brown eyeliner. I'm back, and as you can tell, I changed my top because we are cutting it close for time, and I'm just going to go ahead and finish it up. I had to change my clothes and everything, so I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my Pearlessence White Charcoal Mattifying Makeup Setting Spray. A mouthful. Just going to go ahead and fan the face. You guys, I love this fan. I cannot even tell you where I actually got this from because I don't remember, but this comes in very handy to help set the face. For my mascara today, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Angel. And now for my lips, I'm going to be going in with this Wet n Wild lip gloss. I figured I'd go with a gloss because that stays in the theme of natural and light. And this is the Wet n Wild MegaSlicks lip gloss in the shade Bronze Berry. And there you have it, guys, my very natural, everyday, simple makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this is your first time visiting my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join this little but growing family, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.